Well, it's time for you guys to go. Okay?
No, it's not.
On September 28th, 2025 in Florida, the Palm Beach police arrived at the scene after a report of an unwanted guest. The individual was later revealed to be Stephanie Withers, who made everything worse.
How we doing, guys?
Good.
Hi.
How we doing? You
At
talked
this
to him?
point, I've asked him to leave.
Yeah. All right, guys. You guys got to leave the property now, okay? They do not want you here anymore, okay?
But I'm trying to understand why.
Because Breakers does not want you here anymore. They've asked you to leave.
Breakers?
This is owned by the Breakers property. So management and the staff do not want you here, so you guys have to leave the premises. If you do not leave, you'll be arrested for trespassing.
That's okay.
Okay. But they don't want you here, so you guys have to leave
me
the
as
property.
well.
Okay.
I'm trying to understand as well.
Okay. Well, I do not know the reason, but they are asking me to leave, so you guys have to leave the property, okay?
But would it not be within my rights to ask why I had to leave?
This is private property. They can tell you to leave whenever they want. Sir, do you have your ID with you?
I do.
Thank you. Can I see it? Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Where's my ID?
Thank you.
I'm ready to leave.
Okay, nope, it's no problem. How we doing? So,
Yep.
I'm trying to make her leave. Please allow me to. Yes, I appreciate that, sir.
No. He's scared.
this is going to be a problem this one. Yeah, she's going to be in the collar. She's refusing.
Clearly explain her. I need to find out what's hanging
You might have to actually see that? Okay.
I do have a road key.
Do you mind if I
What am I saying? Off the top of my head.
So he was cooperative. They were telling him, so security was telling him that security was telling him to leave, right? And he was like, okay, no problem. And she's like,
No, I want to know what I did.
I'm like, it's
I've
private
been
property.
sitting here.
It's a
No, I
to
didn't do anything.
She's like, well, I'm not leaving.
No, I know I did.
Okay.
gonna have to give
Hi.
You gave us already?
Yep. Already did. I said if you refuse to leave, you're going to be arrested for trespassing. I mean, she's.
Staying in the hotel.
What?
We don't have you in the house.
I'm not staying in this hotel.
At the
In this room? Double down on that?
Okay.
No.
Well,
Thank you,
it's
Nick.
time. It's time for you guys to go. Okay.
No, it's not. You're wrong.
It's time.
You're
It's time for you
wrong.
guys to go. You're being asked to leave the property. You have to leave now.
That's
if you do not
fine.
leave, you will be arrested for trespass.
What's your name?
Officer DiLeonardo.
Officer what?
DiLeonardo.
D. Leonardo?
Yes.
Where do you want to go?
Do you
I
have,
want to leave. I don't know why she's upset.
oh, because it's wrong.
go.
I'm not going
Let's go.
anywhere.
Yeah, please.
No.
We're right across the street. Let's go.
We're not trying to
Let's
make this a
go.
bigger deal.
Oh, I know what we're saying.
Let's
Then.
go.
No, I know.
You have to leave the property.
Let's go.
So you give no
Did
officer.
you guys already tell them they had to leave?
Yes.
Okay. You already told them how many? You already told them numerous times verbally that they had to leave the
Nick,
property.
I will not.
Not right now. Let's just
No,
Yeah,
I'm
you
with
have to
all
go.
the numbers.
No.
So what was the number that wasn't pulling up? Tell me.
Wait, no, Steph, look.
Stephanie.
What's your name?
Go.
Joe.
Joe.
Yes, it's good.
the only thing, Steph.
It is so weird,
Let
right?
me just explain. Let me explain.
I was already ready about 5 minutes ago.
If
So.
you,
I'm very.
right. So you're set, whatever happens. We got told here. Our job now is to. You guys need to leave. If you do not leave, it's your choice right now. You leave right now on your own recognizance. Go back to where you were going. Spend your night whatever. Right?
Okay, so Joe.
Or
I understand my recognizance.
you're gonna leave
What
in
if-
cuffs, and if you leave in cuffs, then like your night's way worse. So that's up to you. It's your choice right now. You either leave right now on your own
what's
free
your
will.
Ben, what?
This is
I can't hear you.
Yeah.
one more time.
You
This
go
is
away.
All right.
That's my best friend.
Yeah. No.
You're
it's
not
good.
my
Same time.
friend.
All right, come on.
You're
Let's
cuffing
go.
me?
Let's
Yep,
go.
I'm going to jail.
I do this the nice easy one.
Yikes. You think it's gonna end well for you, right?
You're the one that's gonna go to jail, not me.
I'm asking you what your name is and why I'm making you.
I already gave you my name.
Joe?
Yes.
Joe, why am I being cuffed?
Because you refused to leave the location that you were told.
I was asking.
Good. Good. Is that your phone right there?
Any other stuff here?
I don't know, is it? Joe?
It's up to you. I don't want you to lose your stuff.
I don't know, it's my dad, It's okay.
But do you have any
Yeah,
other stuff?
Joe.
That's all. All right. If you
No,
have
no.
we'll ask your friend.
Yeah.
All right, we have your bag. That's it.
I got
Do you mind? Yeah. Do you mind driving her back?
Yeah, I got it.
your name. I'm allowed to ask that, right? Ouch, 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 ouch!
Make us carry you out? Because we will. Let's go. We're not doing
Can you
this.
tell me your name?
We will tell you all of our names.
You're really gonna?
What's your name?
You want me to?
Ow! Ow! You can't do this! I'm just going on the regular. What's wrong with you? Ouch! 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 Why are you doing this?
You gonna walk?
You want to walk?
I want to
Put your
walk.
shoes on and let's go.
I want to walk.
You got 2 more seconds. Put your shoes on right here and let's go.
I'm asking your name.
You're going the wrong way, first of all.
What am I doing?
All right, we're
What
done.
am I doing?
All right,
No, stop! Ow, 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 ow! Please stop! Please stop!
right here. You got eight right here.
It hurts. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing
To walk
this?
out. You want to walk out? We have.
I got her shoes. I got her purse.
You got my shoes?
I got your shoes.
I have the other.
Manchino?
I'm
What's
like,
your name? No,
Joe, I told you my
Manchino?
name's Joe.
Joe? No, I want to know your last name. Can I see? No,
show you
excuse me, sir. Can you please see your last name? How do you know?
you good? You guys good?
Oh, good.
Yeah.
I told you.
What did I do? You have a good.
We have your stuff.
Yeah.
It's in your bag.
You grab her. All right.
Joe, my name's Joe.
Joe? No, I want to know your last name.
Palladino, Officer Palladino.
Can I see?
Get in the car. I
No,
will show you everything.
excuse me, sir. Can I please see your last name?
Right here. Okay. I'm
How
gonna.
do you know?
Yes.